What is going on, y'all? It's your boy Joey Z, and we back with another video, man. You know the vibes, bro. I'm in my Z. Damn, bro, I know you guys haven't seen this shit on the channel in a while. But yeah, I'm in my Z right now. Pops is following me in the Civic. We got some big news to announce to the channel. I'll probably explain a little bit now, but we'll probably get more in depth once we get to the shop. So I'm actually on my way right now to get a few things sorted out on my Z, to drop it off to get rewrapped. But Pops is following me in the Civic. You're not gonna be able to really see it. Dark ass tent, bro, but he's following me in the Civic right now. We dropping it off. We're gonna start the build, bro. Like I mentioned, introducing the car to the channel, we wasn't sure if we were gonna build the motor or throw a swap in it, and we just decided, man, why not try to make one of the fastest D series out? You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and build the motor in the car, bro. So right now we're going to basically get started, drop the motor, you know what I'm saying, start taking things apart. All the parts are on order already. I'm talking about a full build, bro. Porta polish head, pistons, rods, ARP head studs, just about everything that you can do, bro. We're shooting for anywhere between 450 to 500 wheel, which I feel like is plenty in that car, bro, for sure. Very light chassis, you know what I mean? But I hope you guys enjoy the process, because I'm gonna make sure I get as much footage as I can to document the build from today, which is the beginning, all the way to the end. We just got here, man. The car's already being taken apart.
We wanted to make sure that it's not that.
Hey, what's up, man? How you doing?
That's better than this shit. Okay. So that we can on it and then weld it, and then there'll be a clamp like that.
Like I said, we just got here. You see the Civic's already getting taken apart. Got the motor, got the turbo in the trunk. The motor is all apart, man, as you can see. So like I mentioned, the motor is being built. Shout out to Easy Performance. My boy Eddie coming through, man. He also came through with my Z. I haven't even updated the channel on what happened with my Z and why it was gone for a while, but we'll get into that in another video. But as you guys can see, the motor is damn near apart. It's ready to come out. Probably just take these mounts and the motor's ready to drop. So basically, it's on YouTube it's known as the Vittora build. It's kind of like a budget build. But our goal, not our goal, we're gonna make it happen. We're trying to hit 500 horsepower. So that's the goal. Anything more than that is just like
A plus.
yeah, it's like a plus. But our goal, which I know we're gonna hit, is 500 horsepower for sure. And obviously, we're gonna have like a safe map where we're just cruising around the city, whatever. My dad's driving to work and back. It'd be a daily map, you know. But yeah, it's a Vittora build. It's gonna be. We got Brian Crowder springs and retainers. I forget the turbo.
A 3582. 3582 turbo. We're going with got a block guard. We're doing the Brian Calder, like Linda said,
1100cc injectors.
1100cc injectors
450
by
fuel
blocks. 340 fuel pump is going to be on E85.
It is a Y8 too, so it's VTEC.
Yeah, Y8.
I think.
The LSD.
Oh yeah, we're gonna put an LSD transmission as well as getting built.
Yeah.
So the
car,
car,
it's going to be horn, polish. Easy Performance is hooking it up.
yes sir. Everything you could possibly do, bro, is getting done. And our goal is to possibly have one of the fastest D series on YouTube. So right now, man, this is phase 1. I'm gonna do a whole like episode series out of this whole build. So this will be episode 1 basically. So as you guys, like I said, the motor's out. It's not out the car yet, but it's about to be out of the car. I'm gonna be checking in with the shop.
The other turbo, the little itty bitty.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna be going in and out of the shop occasionally just to update you guys. I'm talking about full build, bro. Engine bay getting painted. We got EP3 seats from the SI that's going in the car. Yeah, man. Everybody has things they prefer as far as K series, B series, D series. You know what I'm saying? So we just decided we want to do something different and want to be one of the first ones around at least the Lehigh Valley area with, you know, 400, 500 horsepower D series. It's not really that common, and we're gonna hit it for sure.
This is what we were rocking with.
This is out with the old. They don't got the new one yet.
The old turbo.
And the new one's on its way.
Just to give you guys, look how small this turbo is. Just to give you guys an example. And then I'll show you guys with the new one.
The new one's coming, so stay tuned, brother.
Man, so I hope you guys are excited for the build, because I know we are, man. I'm super excited. Only thing I'm not excited for is when we race against the Z. We're gonna have to race this against my Z. But yeah, obviously the car as well is gonna be getting new tires. Gonna get a whole new setup because these tires are brand new. But these tires ain't holding no damn fine. Yeah, well, I'll post some parts. We're gonna have injectors for sale, probably
550 injectors.
a few more things that will come
Turbo,
across.
if somebody wants looking for the turbo, we're gonna be selling that.
Yeah.
You got tires. The tires are, I would say, 8 out of 10.
Yeah, you
really
can see
good tires.
this joint is practically brand new, but that's not holding 500 horsepower. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna keep you guys updated throughout the whole build process. This is only episode 1, so hopefully.
And you know what? Tell them why I want to build the D series.
I kind of mentioned it, but you can explain a little more.
Yeah.
So everybody has their opinions, you know, with the K series, the B series. Everybody says.
Everybody knocks
Get rid of
the
the
D
D
series. That's why I want to build one, because I'm gonna make it happen with a D series.
Yeah.
So stay tuned, fellas.
Yes, sir, for sure, man. Stay tuned, man. Like I said, we're gonna be updating this. I'm gonna try to come by again, well, within the week for sure. The motor will probably be out. You also sending the, what is it that gets sent out? I don't want to sound dumb. It's the head.
The
gets sent
block
out.
and the no. Easy Performance is port and polishing the head, but the block's getting sent out to get horn for the pistons and all the goodies. Just shave the block for the block guard, smooth surface. Transmission LSD, like we said. So
this thing's gonna put down some power, bro. It's gonna put down some power. It's gonna be a fun street car. That's another thing too. It's a complete street car too. Like, you can daily drive it. You could take it to the track, and then you could drive 2 hours to the track, race all day, and then drive 2 hours back home. So that was the goal, man, to keep it a street car, but also, you know what I'm saying, keep it built, or build it now. So like I mentioned in the first video introducing the Civic, it was kind of a debate we were having whether we were gonna build the motor or throw a B series or a K series in it. And just like my dad mentioned, we just decided to be different. And, it's all love for the K series guys and the B series guys, all love. But you know what I'm saying, we coming, man. We trying to make one of the fastest D series. But yeah, like I said, stay tuned for all the episodes coming up. And I won't end the video just yet. I'll throw a little outro when we leave.
Yeah, so then you gotta change. You gotta go to a 3-inch.
3-inch?
Yeah.
Yeah, right now we're trying to decide. We don't have to make the decision right now, but trying to see if we should leave the full exhaust or do like a custom exhaust coming right out the bumper.
I have 3 years.
See it? Like I'll extend the
Oh,
wire.
so you're like gonna hide it.
Yes. So instead of being here, you see.
Oh yeah, I don't even know if we mentioned that, but we're gonna do a wire tuck. Most likely, most of the wires at least.
Like right there, yeah.
So it's just gonna be clean, bro.
Now, I want to see how the clutch looks. That's what we're taking off right now.
See if it's really bad.
Oh, let's see what it. Yep. Look at this, a shot. Look, you hear it? That your strawberry shot.
So that's the bearing you said I'm gonna need.
That's one of them,
The
and then
main
the other
seal.
one is main seal there. Is it leaking?
That's the train.
This is the before, man. This is all gonna look different, bro. It's all getting cleaned up. It's the whole tranny, engine bay. Everything's gonna be clean, man.
I have no clutch.
Look at that.
No wonder you were right. You were
I
right.
told you that joint was slipping.
Yeah, that shit ain't have nothing.
And that's how you know right from this shit.
Yeah.
She look like a pancake.
They're about to be walking. And look, they were about to break off. You see this?
Yeah, you can see the change in them.
See it?
She left his clutch on 78.
Yeah. Oh shit, look at her back, look. Look at
Damn.
Wow.
gone. He said, I'm gonna get 500.
What you think? What you think?
I think
Fastest D series in the Lehigh Valley?
I'm hope so. I hope so. I hope so. I'm not calling nobody out because I don't like doing that, but The D series is coming strong, baby.
Yes, sir. Yeah, like I said, this is gonna look completely different, bro. Engine bay, everything getting repainted. Are you doing? So are you gonna do the wire tuck or?
Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
Yeah, bro. See it now, man. Remember this. Remember how it looks. It's gonna be completely different. Find the horsepower club, man.
The axles, the control disc, the arm,
Yeah, I forgot to mention
everything.
that. Damn, on the camera, caught his ass. Caught his ass.
He shit his pants.
That's going right in the channel, bro.
Oh, but to let people know the build.
Yeah, it's for
The build is for Jake.
Yeah, this is my little brother Jake, man. He's obviously not shy, so I don't know why he acting like that.
No.
He just left his smell over here. But anyways.
Jake, it's gonna be a
I won't add it, man. Yeah, brakes, rotors, control arms, axles,
all that.
everything, man, everything.
Whole front end.
What's good, guys? Doing vlogs. I got no rig.
Slap, you already know, man. We about to leave the shop, man.
I got the
Cars
I got the
outside.
gat sauce in my pocket right here.
The what? Sir, man. So, hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm back at Pop's crib now. About to head back to the apartment, but as you guys seen, with all the footage we got, the motor is out of the car, is being built. The car is about to be it's gonna be a whole different car when it's done, man. This car's gonna be nasty, bro. But yeah, man, appreciate everybody that tunes into the videos and watches and likes and subscribes. Make sure you leave a like and comment, man. That really, YouTube, you know, pushes the video out into the algorithm more once you show a little more engagement. But as always, man, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Let's get it.
I got that shit off the muscle, from the dirt in the muscle, that's right off the arm. Vest in the seats, trying to start me a phone. This and now when it blows, gonna sound like a bomb. Stuck in the store, I'ma be here for long. If no place being made, then I'm making a song. Jeff out when the box gonna